Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your header on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customer section, content. You're going to find analytics and marketing and discounts. And here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. So right now, in order to customize your header, first of all, go ahead and click on online store. And once you do that, here under online stores, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigations, and lastly, preferences. So go ahead and click on themes. And then once you do that, right here in the top, you're going to find your current theme right here. And here in the right, you're going to find the option to customize it. And right next to it, you're going to find these three dots. So here you're going to find some additional options like preview, rename, duplicate, download theme file, edit code, and edit default theme content. So go ahead and click on customize. And once you do that, you're going to be taken to the Shopify online store editor. So once you're here, you're going to find all these tools that will help you to customize and edit your online store. So once here, just go to the left and then you're going to find all of the elements of your page. And here in the top, you're going to find announcement bar and under it, you're going to find header. So just click on header. And then once you do that, in the right, you're going to find all of these options. As you can see, guys, that will help you to edit your header. For example, right here, you can change the logo position. Right here, you can change the menu type. Here, you're going to find sticky header. You can also change the color scheme. For example, I'm going to change it to blue, as you can see, guys, right here. So once you finish customizing your header, don't forget to click on save in the top right, and then you're good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.